In this video, we are going to see how we can use subquery with joins. Subqueries are often used with join operations in SQL. Just to brush up, a join is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. Let us take a simple example and try to understand how we can write subqueries inside joins. Suppose we have a requirement to get the total number of orders, the total quantity sold, and the available quantity in stock for each product. Let us consider we have an orders details table. For simplicity, I have considered that it has 5 columns and 6 rows. The first column is the order number. The second, we have the product code. The third, we have the quantity which is ordered for that particular order number. Then we have the price each. And then we have the order line number column. So here, how can we differentiate each product based on the product code column? Suppose if I group the product code, I will get the total number of orders for that particular product code. For example, I have the product code S181749, so which has 3 rows. That means the total number of orders for that product is 3. And how we will get the quantity sold? Can you guess any aggregation functions which we can use to get the total quantity sold? Yes, we can use the sum aggregation function on quantity ordered column. So, if we group by with product code, we can get the total number of orders as well as the total quantity sold from our order details table. So let us look at the output of this. So for the small data set, we see that the product 1749 has 3 total orders and the units order is 85. And how did we get that? By adding 30, 20 and 35. Similarly goes for the second product, that is S182248. It has 2 orders and the total units ordered is 35. The last product is 4409, which has only 1 order and the total quantity sold is 40. Now, we are almost done with half the problem, but still we are yet to get the available quantity in stock for the product. But we do not have the quantity in stock column in our order details table. Hence, we need to find some other table which we can join with the order details table. We have a products table which has all the product information such as the product code, the product name, the product line and the quantity in stock. Now, we can join the order details table with the products table on the condition that the products code should match in both of these tables. Once we do that, we can get the quantity in stock from the products table. So our final output for the problem will look like this, which has 3 product codes, that is S181749, S182248 and S184409, with the quantity in stock that is 7900, 958 and 2724 from our products table. So this way we have joined the order details and the products table. Now let us go to Metabase and try to write the query for this. So here I have written the question, that is we need to get the total number of orders, the total quantity sold and the available quantity in stock for the products. First we will see our tables, that is our order details and the products table. So first is our order details table. Select star, we are selecting all the columns from the order details table. Now let me run this. As we can see, we have got all these columns which has order number, product code, the quantity order, the price of each and the order line number. Now let us write the query to get the total number of orders and the total quantity sold. So how can we get that? We need to group by the product code. So for that, the query will be select star. We will select all the columns from our order details table and we will group by the product code. What do we need? We need the count of order number as total number of orders, and the total quantity sold we can do by using the sum aggregation function. On which column? On the quantity ordered column. Let me give it an alias as total quantity. Let me run this query. Now we've got the total number of orders and the total quantity. Let me get the product code as well. Now let me run this. So we've got that the product 1749 has 25 orders and the quantity is 918. Similarly, we have so many other products. We have S241937 product code, which is having 28 number of orders and the total quantity is 937. Okay, so this is a larger data set. So we have solved half of our problem. The next is we need to get the available quantity in stock for the products. For that, we need to see the products table. Okay, so for that, we will write the query select start from the table name, that is products. Let me run this query. So we have all the product information. We have the product code, the name, the product line, we have the scale, we have the vendor description, and we also have the quantity in stock. So we need the quantity in stock column. Okay. Now let us try to join these two tables. We have learned about the inner joins. So how do we do inner joins? We will consider this as table A. We will consider this as table B. So we will try to get the solution for the entire question. So our table A is this. So let me copy this. So I will give this an alias. So and consider this as table 1. And I will do select star from this table. Okay. Now just let me run this query and show you that we have not messed around with anything. Okay. Now I want to join this table. For joining, we will use the clause inner join. So I'm considering this to be a table 1. I'm joining this inner join on table B. So our table B is select star from CR products. So I'm joining this table B. I'll give it an alias as table. Okay. Now we have to give a condition on table 1 product code should be equal to table 2's product code. Okay. And instead of selecting star, let me just get the product code. And I need the total number of orders. And I need the total quantity. And from table 2, I just need the quantity in stock. Now let me run this. We've solved our question. We've got the total number of orders, the total quantity, and the available quantity in stock for each of the product because we have grouped by the product. So as we can see, we have got all the products. Let us consider 2248 product, which is having 25 orders, 832 from the order details table, and the quantity in stock is 540, which we've got from the product table. So this way we have used subquery with our joins. Now, in the next lesson, we will see how we can use nested subqueries. There is no specific syntax for subquery with joins. Basically, it is how you write the queries based on the requirement. So keep on practicing and you'll get used to this. Thank you.